Welcome to Bestseller Book Review Magnolia Table, a collection of recipes for gathering by Joanna Gaines, Maristet's #1 New York Times bestseller. Magnolia Table is infused with Joanna Gaines' warmth and passion for all things family, prepared and served straight from the heart of her home, with recipes inspired by dozens of Gaines family favorites and classic comfort selections from the couple's new Waco restaurant, Magnolia Table. Jo believes there's no better way to celebrate family and friendship than through the art of togetherness, celebrating tradition, and sharing a great meal. Magnolia Table includes 125 classic recipes, from breakfast, lunch, and dinner to small plates, snacks, and desserts, presenting a modern selection of American classics and personal family favorites. Complemented by her love for her garden, these dishes also incorporate homegrown, seasonal produce at the peak of its flavor. Inside Magnolia Table, you'll find recipes the whole family will enjoy, such as chicken pot pie, chocolate chip cookies, asparagus and fontina quiche, Brussels sprouts with crispy bacon, toasted pecans, and balsamic reduction peach capris, overnight French toast, white cheddar bisque, fried chicken with sticky poppy seed jam, lemon pie, mac and cheese, full of personal stories and beautiful photos. Magnolia Table is an invitation to share a seat at the table with Joanna Gaines and her family. Subscribe our channel if you like this video. Don't forget to share and like if you want to buy this book in Amazon, so link is available in description.